We are on our way to Piha. Sorry, George. Couldn't wait. Yeah, this one wanted to go ages ago. But we're going today, and that's what the roads are looking like. For John, his 21st. The 2nd year anniversary. And then these guys, it's their anniversary. Woo! We're finally going out.
Oh, just try to understand me. Won't you come a little closer and let me whisper to you? And I say you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing to you.
And we're beginning.
Yeah. No, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing to you.
Many stairs later.
We made it. Look at that. If you can hear me heavy breathing, shut up. It was a hard job, but we got there. It was a nice walk. Does that make me want to makapongia? Yes. Hell yes. Wow. It's for you, John. To the sky.
No, you don't have to worry about a single thing. Just let me sing to you.
Look at that, guys. Happy 2nd year, John. Happy 2nd year. Oh my gosh, the sun. Can I? Okay. So our journey has come to an end. It was worth it, honestly. The drive here though, not so sure. That's us. Lesson for today, don't wear white shoes. Don't wear white shoes. Don't wear your best sport shoes because it gets stained from the black sand and the rocks and the gravel and all that, you know? I really want to go down there. Over there. It's giving Make a Mermaid. It's giving people get lost in. Walking back down. I'm scared I might not give on my freaking vibe, but all good. Anything for John. That is our 2-year anniversary. Charlie, watch out. That's our walk debut. We thought we'd change it up a bit because going to the hospital seemed a little bit too, you know, it brings back bad memories. So we came to a place where the view was as pretty as John was. That's me trying to motivationally speak. Yeah. Your legs, my whole body shaking. Frick. But all good. It gets me out of work. Kidding! Love you, Steve. My jumper's falling. 1 second. Such a nice walk, you know. It just feel great. Jenny, how do you feel? Shaky. She feels shaky. Okay. Can you see our car? It's all the way down there. Yes, guys. Everything is possible. Get your problem. Okay, bro, I'm gonna stop recording here. I'm gonna go out by my parkour. I think you saw the previous videos, but we made it to the top. We thought coming here would be a better option instead of walking to the hospital, because it brings up memories that I don't think anyone wants to remember. So we came to a place where the view was as pretty as John was, and just look. Oh, jokes. Let me restart that. Vicky saw the blah 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 blah. I think you guys already saw the, what do you call it? The videos before this. We made it to the top, which is on our way back down now. This is the problem with having short legs. Sorry. And we thought coming to a different place would be a good idea, because going back to the hospital, it brings up memories that none of us want to remember. So we came to Piha, that has a view that's as miserable. Oh, bro, start again. I think there's like oxygen not going to my brain. We made it to the top, which is on our way back down now. We did this walk for Uncle John for his 2nd year anniversary. We thought it was a bad idea to come to Piha, because walking to the hospital brings up memories that no one wants to remember, and we don't want to remember John that way. So we came here to a view that's as memorable as him. So take a peek, soak it in through the screens. This is what we're doing right now. That's our walk for today. Feeling pretty shaky, but it was expected. Like, we haven't done stairs in a while. What a beautiful day. What a great way to start the morning, you know? Lighting coming through.
Your eyes locked on me. I knew right then I gotta have you. Right here in the middle of the floor of this hole in the wall on a back street. I knew I had to get close.
Sama this lighting is doing me so good. Like, bro, take a different route and like change scenery. When you're not with me, it's hard because it's lonely. Honestly, I'm tempted when you're gone, cause I don't do well alone. People are coming. We've come to an end. Thanks for joining us. We'll meet you back in the car.
On me, lighting me up like a bonfire. Your lips are making me think this is gonna be an all night. Right here in the middle of the crowd, you're the center of the world on a bar stool. Oh yeah, I had to get close to you. Girl, what's your name, what you drinking? Yeah, what's your favorite song? If you're thinking what I'm thinking, we ain't gonna be in this bar too long. We'll be sneaking on out to your car, stealing kisses out there in the dark. Yeah, you might be too soon to say I love you, but you wanna make me want to. Yeah, we'll be sneaking on out to your car. Stealing kisses out there in the dark.